Circus 101 northbound off ramp is done.
5 copy from the pumps.
Take a picture? Take a pic?
$597.
597.
$25,297.
25,297.
Will be off with some heat challenging cars in the intersection, Madonna and 101 off ramp.
10-4. Do you need a third unit?
$25 and 31. We're at UTL. We can head that way.
10-4.
info, 1 out. What's the description? 5 white male on a bike with curly frizzy hair, probably about 6 foot tall. Ben. Copy. 57301. 5 it'd be for his mental health. That works. I'll be traffic prior.
Thirty-one.
4231. 8 X-ray, boy, King, 3444. High gear and south.
Hello.
What's up, man?
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Full
Good.
unit.
Do you have your driver's license, registration, and proof of insurance?
Yeah, why'd you pull me over?
Well, you failed to use your signal 150 feet prior to making a lane change, and you also failed to use
4225 to 4220.
when making a left-hand turn.
Good.
Well, that was I know what you're talking about. That wasn't a left-hand turn, that was a straight. You can either go straight or you could turn
Well,
left.
actually, that's not entirely true, because if you went straight, you would run into a building, right?
Copy.
No?
No. There's a left-hand turn, which
Yes,
you kind of
there's a
U-turn,
left-hand turn.
and then there's a straight way.
2531.
Okay.
All right,
You can argue that, if you like.
I will.
Fine.
Lane change?
Yeah.
Blinker?
When you were in the number 1 lane.
Just do what you gotta do, man. Write me a ticket. Write me a ticket.
Gabriel, just ask it. If they're not capable of a conversation, if you don't want to talk about it, that's fine.
Just write me a ticket, man.
Okay.
Fucking prick.
Hello, Mr. Rosas. Here's your information back.
All right.
I gave you a ticket for failing to use your signal. And also, just so you're aware,
0520.
your tint on the back obscures your third brake light. I'm not going to give you a ticket for it, but it obscures that light.
Just FYI, just
Write it
picked
up.
up a
I'm not going to.
Oh, write it up, dude.
I'm not going
Fuck
to.
it, let's make it a full-on retaliation. But if I don't sign it, you're gonna take me in? Is that what's going on?
I don't know yet.
All right,
I haven't
sign it.
decided. I don't want to.
Yeah, you do. You would love to see me in cuffs, man.
You know, it's unfortunate that you think that about me.
You're a f***ing joke, Etherton. That's all you are. A f***ing joke, man. I'm gonna continue to follow, just like you were following me just now. I'm gonna continue to follow the calls, man.
That's fine. You can follow us.
I'm gonna continue
How do you think
to.
we were
I'm
following
gonna
you
keep.
because we're going to the same
I'm gonna
place?
keep on documenting this shit, dude. I'm not doing anything wrong, man.
I didn't say
All
you
right?
did. except for this traffic violation.
Sure.
There you go.
And if you look at where I turned right there, it's a straight arrow and a left arrow. So you have two options. You can go left or you can go straight.
Well, actually, you can only go... Did you go straight?
Yeah, I went straight, man.
You went straight?
Yes.
You went straight from Pismo Street onto Higuera Street?
No, from High Street. Was it High? It's High Street.
You were on Pismo.
Well, Pismo, you only have two options: go straight or make a left. I wasn't making a left-hand turn.
Actually,
all right.
You can go right.
No, because
go
the lane to go right is next to the next lane over. I was in the straight / left-hand turn lane.
Mr. Rosas, how about this? Because I know you're going to see me in the future.
Yeah.
How about you go look at the intersection and then come talk to me about it after you find it?
I don't have shit to say to you.
That's fine. You don't have to. I'm just giving you an option if you wanted to continue the discussion. Either way, I'm leaving. You're free to go.
All right. Thanks for the retaliation, man. It's good to document it. Joke.
How about you go look at the intersection and then come talk to me about it after you find it?
I don't have shit to say to you. So this is where I was, right where this car is right here. You could see there's an arrow going straight and an arrow going left. You can go straight across or you can make a left-hand turn right here. Right? So you can clearly see it's marked right there. There's a straight arrow and there's a left-hand arrow. I wasn't making a left-hand turn. I was going straight just like that car is.